From Idea to Income: How to Properly Start a Business. Written by Ron, founder of VIP Mobile Oil Change. Introduction. Starting a business isn't just about making money. It's about freedom, purpose, and creating something that's truly yours. Whether you're starting a mobile service, an online brand, or a local shop, this guide will walk you step by step through how to properly start your business and build it the right way. By the end of this audiobook, you'll know how to turn your idea into income, structure your business, legally manage your money, and use real resources that will help you every step of the way. Let's get started. Chapter 1: The Power of the Idea. Every business starts with one thing, an idea. But not every idea becomes a business. To find a strong business idea, ask yourself 3 key questions. What problems do people have every day? What skills or experiences do I already have that solve those problems? And most importantly, what am I passionate enough about to stick with when things get tough? Once you have your idea, research it. Use Google Trends, Reddit, and YouTube to see if people are already searching for that service or product. If there's competition, that's a good thing. It means there's demand. Your job is to find your angle. What makes you different, better, or more personal? That's your value. Remember, every successful business solves a problem, and the bigger the problem you solve, the more valuable your business becomes. Chapter 2: Planning the Blueprint. Before you spend a single dollar, you need a plan. Your business plan doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs direction. Here's what to include: your mission statement. Why does your business exist? Your target market. Who are you helping? Your pricing strategy. How will you make a profit? Your startup costs. What will it take to get started? Your marketing plan. How will you reach customers? And finally, your financial goals. How much do you plan to make in your first year? A great free resource is the Small Business Administration website at sba.gov/business-guide. They offer free business plan templates, funding help, and even local mentors you can talk to. Your business plan is your roadmap. It keeps you focused when things get busy, and it helps others, like lenders or investors, see that you're serious. Write your plan down, even if it's just 1 page, because a goal you can see is a goal you can reach. Chapter 3: Legal Structure and Licensing. You can't build a strong business on shaky ground. If you want to be taken seriously by customers, lenders, or even the government, you've got to start your business the right way. That begins with your legal structure. Step 1: choose the right structure. Every structure has its pros and cons, and what you choose affects how you're taxed, how you get paid, and how much protection you have. Let's break it down. A sole proprietorship is the easiest and cheapest way to start. You can file under your personal name or a doing business as, also called a DBA. The downside? You and your business are legally the same. That means if something goes wrong, like debt or a lawsuit, they can come after your personal assets. A limited liability company, or LLC, is what most small business owners choose. It protects your personal assets, gives you flexibility with taxes, and looks professional on paper. If someone sues your business, they can't take your car, your savings, or your home. You can form an LLC online through your state's Secretary of State website, or use services like LegalZoom, Zen Business, or InkFile to file it for you. It usually costs between $50 and $200 depending on your state. A corporation, also known as an S Corp or C Corp, is best for larger businesses or those planning to bring on investors. It requires more paperwork, board meetings, and annual reports, but it separates you completely from the business in the eyes of the law. Most small businesses start as an LLC and switch to a corporation later when they grow. If you're unsure, talk to a small business accountant or legal advisor. It's better to start right than to fix mistakes later. Step 2. Get your employer identification number. Once your business is legally formed, you'll need your EIN, or employer identification number. Think of it as your business's social security number. You'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. You can get it for free at irs.gov/EIN. Don't ever pay anyone for it. It's completely free and takes only a few minutes to apply online. Step 3. Register your business name. Make sure your name is unique. Search your state's business name database to see if anyone else is using it. You can also check uspto.gov to make sure your name isn't trademarked. If it's available, register your Doing Business As name with your county or city clerk's office. Pro tip: buy the matching domain name, even if you're not ready to build a website yet. Owning your name online helps protect your brand before someone else grabs it. Step 4. Get your licenses and permits. Depending on your type of business and where you're located, you may need specific licenses to operate legally. If you're in California, for example, you'll need a business tax certificate or city business license from your local city hall. If you run a food truck or mobile service, you might need health permits, seller's permits, or environmental clearances. Trades like mechanics, barbers, electricians, or contractors often need state licenses to operate. To find out what applies to you, visit sba.gov/business-license or contact your local county clerk's office. They can tell you exactly what paperwork you need for your type of business. If you plan to sell physical products, apply for a seller's permit through your state's Department of Tax and Fee Administration. That allows you to collect and pay sales tax. In California, you can apply for free online at cdtfa.ca.gov. If your business uses music, videos, or brand names in any marketing, make sure you have permission or licenses for that content too. Copyright violations can cost you thousands in fines later. Step 5. Open a business bank account. Once your business is registered and you have your EIN, open a business checking account under your company name. This separates your personal and business finances, and it's a key step to building business credit later. Bring your LLC documents, your EIN letter, and your ID to your bank. Most major banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America offer small business accounts, but you can also use online banks like Bluevine, Novo, or Relay, which have no monthly fees. Step 6. Protect yourself and your business. Once your business is official, make sure you're protected. Get business insurance, even if you're small. Start with general liability insurance to cover accidents or damages. If you use a vehicle for business, get commercial auto insurance. If you offer services, consider professional liability insurance in case of mistakes or disputes. You can compare affordable policies at Next Insurance, Hiscox, or State Farm. Step 7. Keep your business in good standing. Once your business is registered, don't forget to maintain it. Most states require annual reports or renewal fees for LLCs and corporations. Mark your calendar and file them on time to avoid penalties or losing your legal protection. Always keep your business paperwork, receipts, and tax records organized. Use digital folders or apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, or QuickBooks to store everything safely. Final thoughts for this chapter. Getting legal might sound intimidating, but it's what separates a side hustle from a real business. Once you're set up correctly, you gain protection, professionalism, and power. Remember, you don't need to know everything to start. You just need to take that first legal step and build from there. Chapter 4. Building Business Credit. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in business, business credit. Building business credit the right way allows you to buy equipment, get vehicles, or even secure funding, all under your business name, not your personal credit. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Form your foundation. You'll need a legitimate business structure, like an LLC or corporation, not a sole proprietorship. Next, get your EIN from the IRS and open a business checking account under your company name. Use your business address and business phone number, not your personal ones. You can get a virtual business address from services like iPostal One, Opus Virtual Office, or Regus. That gives your business a professional image. Step 2. Get your DUNS number. Go to dunandbradstreet.com and apply for your free DUNS number. This is like a social security number for your business credit. Most lenders and vendors use it to track your payment history. Step 3. Start with vendor accounts, also called Tier 1 credit. These are companies that offer net 30 terms, meaning you buy now and pay within 30 days. You want vendors that report to business credit bureaus. Here are a few to start with. Uline sells shipping supplies and reports to Dun and Bradstreet. Granger sells tools and equipment. Quill sells office supplies and toner. Summa Office Supplies or Creative Analytics both report to multiple bureaus. Order small amounts, pay early, and watch your business credit start to build. Step 4. Move to Tier 2 accounts. Once you have 3 or more vendors reporting positive payments, apply for larger accounts like Amazon Business Net 55, Home Depot Pro, or fuel cards such as Shell Fleet, WEX, or BP Business Solutions. These report to major business credit bureaus and show that your company handles real credit lines. Step 5. Add a business credit card. Look for cards that report to Dun and Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Good starter cards include Capital One Spark, Divvy, Brex, or American Express Blue Business Cash. Use them for small business expenses and pay them off monthly. Step 6. Monitor your business credit. Just like personal credit, you can check your business credit scores. Use nav.com or creditsuite.com to monitor your profile. Pay attention to your Paydex score. It ranges from 0 to 100. A score of 80 or higher means you're paying vendors on time or early. Step 7. Keep it separate. Always use your business bank account, business credit cards, and your business name on invoices. Never mix personal and business spending. This keeps your business legally and financially protected. Bonus tip. If your business needs funding later, you can apply for secured business loans, lines of credit, or vehicle leases under your business name once your credit is strong. That means no personal guarantee, no hard inquiry on your personal credit, and full separation between you and your company. Chapter 5. Branding and Online Presence. In today's world, your online presence is your storefront. Even if you're a local business, people will look you up online first. Start by creating a free Google business profile so customers can find you fast. Then build a simple website using Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify if you sell products. Next, create social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and post consistently. Keep your branding consistent. Same logos, same colors, same message everywhere. Remember, your brand isn't just your logo. It's the feeling people get when they think about your business. Chapter 6. Managing your money. Money management can make or break your business. Track every dollar, what comes in and what goes out. Use accounting tools like Wave Accounting, QuickBooks, or FreshBooks to stay organized. Always separate business and personal money. Open a business checking account and set aside about 25 to 30% of your income for taxes. Visit irs.gov/business-taxes to learn what expenses you can legally write off. When your money is managed right, your business can grow with confidence. Chapter 7: Marketing and Growth. Now it's time to get customers. Start simple. Tell your story. People connect with authenticity. Show your work, your process, and your results. Use multiple ways to grow. Word of mouth. Offer discounts for referrals. Local SEO. Get reviews on Google and Yelp. Social media ads, even $5 a day, can reach hundreds of people. And networking. Join your local Chamber of Commerce or connect with free mentors through score.org. Marketing isn't just about selling, it's about storytelling, connection, and trust. Chapter 8: Staying Motivated and Leveling Up. Building a business isn't easy. You'll face slow days, rejection, and doubt. But remember, consistency always wins. Keep learning. Listen, read, and watch people who inspire you. Surround yourself with positive energy and people who believe in your vision. Every day, do something, no matter how small, that moves your business forward. Success doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you never quit. Closing message. You don't need to have everything figured out to start. You just need to start and keep improving as you go. Every big business started as a small one. Believe in your vision, invest in your growth, and never stop learning. Always remember, do your own research because knowledge is power. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building the life you deserve. This has been From Idea to Income: How to Properly Start a Business, written by Ron, founder of VIP Mobile Oil Change.